Are you thinking of selling your home and wondering how you can add true value that'll actually make a difference once it hits the market? Well, stay through the entire video because I have 5 tips on how to add value to your home. Hi, I'm Max. I'm a realtor with eXp Realty. I use my YouTube as a way to bring different types of tidbits of knowledge to buyers and home sellers just like yourself. So let's get right into it. Tip number 1, vinyl siding. Does replacing, changing, refinishing, cleaning vinyl siding actually add true value to your home? This is a question many people ask right before they're about to list their home to the market. And the answer is, sort of. 86% of your investment will be recouped if you completely tear all the vinyl siding off, have a company come in and refinish it. 86%. The job will cost you about $7,000 and you might get, $5,000, $6,000 extra at the end of purchase on your home. Well, in some cases, that $5,000 to $6,000 could be your realtor's commission. In many cases, that doesn't seem like the best investment. My suggestion is probably to have somebody come in and paint it, which costs severely less, or have somebody come in like a pressure washing company and completely just clean up the siding. The most important thing with this is making sure that your neighbor doesn't have fresh vinyl siding and your vinyl siding's half falling off. If that's the case, you're most likely, no matter what, gonna at least have to replace that section because you're selling something. You want it to look the best. If you're going to list something on Facebook Marketplace, like a used desk, you're not gonna take a picture of the desk whenever it's all chewed up, messy, and disorganized. You're going to put a little bit of work to at least Clorox wipe it off. You're gonna put lipstick on the paint. So in conclusion, vinyl siding, not the top of my priority list because you don't recoup all your investment. But the next one, tip number 2, the garage door. Yes, replacing, painting, no matter what you do to the garage door, it is going to add value. That is usually, in most cases, the frontward facing first thing that people notice whenever they pull up to a house. If your garage door has the imprint of your van that your 16-year-old backed into it, it's not gonna sell quite as well. So you're gonna need to replace it. And thankfully, 100% of your investment will be recouped. So yes, fixing up, renovating, refinishing, repurposing the garage door will 100% be recouped by the time your home goes through the entire selling process. Number 3, roofing. Again, 100% of your investment will be recouped if you have somebody come out and replace shingles, if your gutters are kind of, leaking, half falling off, if you just have somebody come in and paint them. That's one way that adds so much value. Even just having somebody come in and put black gutters and black shutters on the windows, that right there, boom, your home is probably gonna sell for 1, maybe 2% higher than it would have. Because again, it's all about that aesthetic. Putting a little bit of value into something that you're selling is definitely going to help through the process. Number 4, insulation. This seems like an odd one, but actually, every 15 to 20 years, you're supposed to come in and completely fix up the insulation. What the insulation does is it holds in a ton of noise. Honestly, you can probably hear in this room, my voice is pretty echoey. I probably should have somebody come and fix my insulation. I've been in the attic and it definitely is old. So that's something that I need to put on my to-do list, and maybe you need to put it on yours too. What it also does is it protects your home from leaks, waters, and different moisture getting in. It holds in all the heat, lowers your energy efficiency. So even if you're still living in the home, not thinking about selling it, 100% of your investment will be recouped at the end. It's actually really super affordable to have a company come out and take care of that for you. On to tip number 5, flooring. This right here, to me, should be a no-brainer. If you're thinking about selling your home and you want to get the most bang for your buck as you're transitioning, moving elsewhere, and you want to get the most value out of your home, fix the flooring before the photographer comes in, before you even contact your realtor and ask, hey man, how much should I sell my home for? You should have somebody come out and put new flooring in. Even if it's just the Pergo plug and play that you can get from Lowe's. It's super affordable. I think I did my entire house for under $2,000 and I did it all myself in a weekend. Your investment after sale, on average, 118% recouped. You're going to actually make money from doing this. And like I just told you, it took me a weekend to get waterproofed wood flooring in my home. So that right there, doing your flooring should be at the top of your priority list. 118% of your investments recouped. You make money. And it's super easy. Now, I know that I said that I had 5 tips for you whenever you're thinking about putting your home on the market, or you're still living in it and you just want to make sure that you are taking good home ownership and good care so that when it does go to the market, it is 100% ready. But I actually have a bonus tip. Tip number 6. It's a bonus tip. Painting your door. Painting your door actually adds significant value whenever you're thinking about putting your home on the market. Some say that it can make it sell 50% quicker, and also you can get about $2,000 extra for $60 worth of paint. That's insane. Why wouldn't you decide to just go on ahead and paint it on the off chance that it doesn't even work? If I was going to the casino and I put $60 in a slot machine and the buzzers went off and said, bam, you just won $2,000, wouldn't everybody put their money in that machine? So what colors should you paint your door? Well, I have the top 10. Coming in at number 10, white. Painting your door white will increase value. Might not increase quite as much as number 9, pale blue. Pale blue, obviously, any type of blue color is going to instantly catch somebody's attention from the curbside. Number 8. On this list, it's 8. On others, it was like top 3. Navy blue. I think navy blue definitely gives like a presidential vibe once it's actually painted on the door. Maybe not something that you would keep, but definitely something if you're gonna sell. Again, $60, $2,000, I'll paint my door navy blue. This one, number 7, you go for it. Purple. I'm not a purple guy, but there's definitely people that love purple out there. I maybe wouldn't buy the home because it's purple. I would probably try to find one of these colors that you think are most unanimous. Number 6, I see this one all the time. At some point, this one probably was number 1, but the 6th most popular color to paint your door to increase value is yellow. And it's probably fallen down on the list because I think yellow actually kind of looks good on a front door. I'm pretty sure people keep it. So now it's become washed out a little bit. Number 5, dark gray. And on to number 4, olive green. And getting into the top 3. And this one, again, maybe kind of in the purple category, but honestly, the more that I look at it, it looks pretty cool. Dusty pink. It's honestly a cool shade. In these top 2, on other websites I read that color number 2 will, on average, has increased up to $3,000. Now it's got to be on the right complementary, looking at if it's a vinyl siding and you get your vinyl siding painted similar to the reference as like a lightish gray, it almost looks like, then red probably will add a ton of value. For an example, like my home that has stone, dark red would probably stand out like a sore thumb and would almost just not be quite as complimentary as it is in this example. But the number 1, and I kind of alluded to this back when we were talking about the roofs and painting your colors or painting your gutters and painting your garage door, black. Black on Zillow, this is a straight report from Zillow, says that it added $6,000. Now again, as I've probably prefaced on all of these, it's got to look good on your home. But if you go out and have somebody come and just paint the garage door black, paint the front door black, and the shutters black, and the gutters black, you are going to tremendously increase value to your home. Just think, if your neighbor's home's on the market and they didn't catch this YouTube video, they're instantly missing out on value whenever they put their home up. You go, you list, and your home sells 2 times as quick as theirs does. They put it on the market on a Tuesday, you put it on a Thursday. You get an offer Friday, they're like, what the heck, why'd they get an offer so quick? It's because you watched Max Moore on YouTube, so go let them know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end. Please drop a like and a comment below and smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell so that you too can continue to crush the market whenever you list your home. Have a great day and be awesome.